Hello, a very good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Shrutika. I welcome you all back to our new YouTube video today. So we are into our series of what understanding different life history and contributions of different pioneers and stalwarts in homeopathy. So going up ahead with the same series, now we have next is Dr. Elizabeth Wright Hubbard. Now, to make this video simplified, we will understand it into what is the birth date, what is the birthplace, death anniversary, what was the education of Dr. Elizabeth, and what are the contributions of Dr. Elizabeth to the field of homeopathy. Now, if you will go and scroll down to the previous videos in the playlist named Life History and Contributions, you will get to know that we have already covered up Dr. Kent, Boger, Boning Hussain, William Borick, Henry Clark, and many other stalwarts. So you can also refer to those videos and likewise study for your undergraduation exam, for your AIPGT or any other competitive exams that you are preparing for in the field of homeopathy. And if you want me to have a video on any other stalwart, you can comment and likewise let me know. So let's get started with today's video. So Dr. Elizabeth Wright Hubbard. So what was the birth date? The birth date was 18th of Feb 1896. What was the birthplace? The birthplace was Yale, New York City. Death anniversary is on 2nd of May 1967. So what was her education? In 1921, she got her degree of medicine from the Columbia University School of Physicians and Surgeons. She got her education from Columbia University. She completed her internship at Bellevue Hospital, New York, under Dr. Pierre Schmidt of Geneva. She underwent training on practical homeopathy. Now, this was about the educational background of Dr. Elizabeth Wright. Now, what are the contributions of Dr. Elizabeth Wright? She was the first woman to be elected as the president of American Institute of Homeopathy. So, she was the first woman to be elected as the president of American Institute of Homeopathy. Is one of the most important things that you should know about, that we should know about her. She also filled an important and influential role over many years as editor of the Homeopathic Reader. So apart from being the first woman who was president, and also she was the editor of Homeopathic Recorder, editor of the Journal of American Institute of Homeopathy. So this was all about what was the life history and contributions of Dr. Elizabeth Wright Hubbard in a short and concise manner. If you find this YouTube video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. आपको आपके जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, क्वेरीज है, कुछ नई वीडियो बनानी है, कोई सजेशंस है, किसी और पायोनियर के बारे में डिटेल में जानना है, you can always comment or you can email me. So keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you and have a nice day.